Here are 5 topics that you can discuss in your training if your goal is to help your team improve their chances of success. Number 1, talk about the importance of relationships. Maraming mga organization ang bumabagal, hindi nagiging successful because walang magandang relasyon ang kanilang mga empleyado or members. Imagine kung magko-collaborate sila ng kanilang mga ideas, ng kanilang mga resources, ng kanilang mga strategies if meron silang magandang relationship. So this is not to be underestimated kasi ang health ng isang organization madaling malaman by the health of the relationship of each member sa kanilang boss, sa kanilang kapwa member, kapwa empleyado, sa kanilang mga customers, etc. Number 2, talk about the importance of roles and responsibilities. A lot of times, bakit bumabagsak ang isang organization? Kasi hindi alam or baka nalimutan na ng mga empleyado or ng mga miyembro mo ano ang kanilang function. So there is lack of accountability, lack of ownership kasi nga hindi clear sa kanila. So you need to discuss about these things. Number 3 that you can include is talk about the importance of identifying ano yung mga hardships, ano yung mga challenges na kinakaharap ng inyong kumpanya so that you can solicit ideas from them what to do about these problems, about these challenges. For all you know, sumasakit yung ulo mo pero nandun pala sa organization mo ang strategies, ang ideas na hinahanap mo. Number 4, talk about the importance of skills. Ano ba yung mga skills na meron sila, wala sila, dapat nilang i-acquire relevant to the success of your organization. So that going forward, di lang basta motivated sila, kundi equipped talaga sila, trained talaga sila kung ano yung gagawin nila to the success of your organization or for the success of your organization. A lot of times, hindi motivation ang kailangan ng iyong organization. That's why may mga training na they feel good, yes, but after 2 days, walang nangyari kasi hindi yun ang kailangan nila na training. It must be focused on their skills. And of course, importante din, number 5, talk about the importance of being aligned sa inyong mission, sa inyong vision, sa inyong organizational na mga goals. So these 5 things, if you incorporate this in your training program, you will definitely, absolutely increase the chances of winning para sa iyong team or organization.